Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be setting up my social media planner for 2021 today, and I'm really excited that I get a chance to finally start prepping one of my planners for my 2021 planner lineup. Now, I am going to be doing something a little different this time around with my social media setup and how I'm going to be using things. And so I wanted to just let you guys know I am going to be using some cute printables that kind of fit my style and kind of make it look a little glamorous and cute. And I'm going to be using some dividers, and I'm going to be using the dashboard layout this time around, but I'm not going to be using the Happy Planner dashboard layout because you guys know I love the dashboard layout by the Happy Planner. But my friend Pleasantly Planned, also known as Casey, she actually was creating some planners, and she actually sent this to me. She actually sent me the entire year of 2021 in the dashboard layout that I absolutely love. And I love it because it is a very neutral layout that I love, and I can just kind of do and kind of just work with this however I want. But I didn't fall in love with any of the Happy Planner dashboard layouts because they did have the color blocks in there. But I was super excited that she actually created one that was very neutral, just the way I like it. And I'm just going to kind of let you guys know where I got my printables from, because I know you guys are going to be loving those because they're super cute. And so I will let you guys know that as I'm setting this up. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up actually, and then I'm going to flip through it and let you guys know how I'm going to be using each of these items. But before I get started, I did want to let you know that I am also going to be using this frosted cover, and this is also from Pleasantly Planned. I'm actually going to be using her frosted covers as well with this planner. And then I use these rose gold discs from the Happy Planner. I just think it looks really cute for the little touches of pinks and whites and grays that I'm going for with my setup for my social media. And so I'm actually using this little mechanism also from the Happy Planner, which is just this little clear little rack that actually holds the disc in place so that I can easily put in my pages as I'm setting it up. So that's what I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to actually go through and flip through it for you guys and let you guys know where I got each of the printables and how I'm going to be using each of the sections in here. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so now it is time for show and tell. So I'm going to be flipping through this, you guys, and let you guys see each piece of the items that I'm going to be using in here, tell you where I got them from, and how I'm going to be using each of the sections in my social media planner. So starting from the outside and working my way inside this planner, I am going to be using these metal discs from the Happy Planner, which is like in this rose gold color. I think it's really, really cute. You guys know I love me some rose gold. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to be using my frosted covers from Pleasantly Planned. And in the inside as my front cover, as you can see, my front cover, I printed this out. This is a printable. And this also came from Plan with Jazz on Instagram. If you click her link on Instagram, you'll be able to have access to her freebies, and it is super awesome. I just love her printables, and I love this dashboard printable so much that I incorporated it as my front cover and also my back cover. And so I just printed out 2 pages, trimmed them down, and punched them so they can fit in there. And so I just incorporated it as my front and my back cover. All right, so moving on, I use my teardrop paper clip from Pleasantly Planned, and I use the 2021 overview printables. I print this on vellum paper, and this printable actually came from Plan with B. She's also on Instagram as well. You need to check out her Instagram and also her freebies on her link in her Instagram account. And I thought this was really cute because I was going to do something a little different, but I just thought this was really cute. It fit, and so I just trimmed it down to fit inside of this. And yeah, so that's how that looks. And so my first little dashboard here also came from Pleasantly Planned, and do y'all see this? Oh my gosh, I'm just in love. Okay, so I use this as my collab section as my front divider because I do want to start documenting and prepping for some collabs that I have upcoming. And so I just thought this was really cute. Now this printable and these other printables I'm going to be showing you, these actually came from MJG Studios Co. And this is an Etsy shop, and this is called their content planner printables. And I just use this also as like my little dashboard cover like this. I just think it's so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. So again, this is my collab section, and so I just I'm going to be using the project goals sheets from the Happy Planner in here to just kind of document and map out different projects that I want to work on, different contents that I want to do, prep them ahead of time, and just make sure I have everything that I need listed before I start planning. And that's part of like my planning process. And then I added in some filler paper or some happy notes sheets on the back just for additional pages to write down. All right, so my second section is going to be my film section. And I call it my film section because of this beautiful dashboard that's also by MJG Studio Co. Etsy shop. And this is going to be the section where I'm going to be writing down all of my video content ideas. Now I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to put here on this side because I do want to put something here. But we will see. I'm still thinking about that side. But this printable or this sheet actually came from Fancy Plans Co. And you guys, I have been using this from since 2020 at the beginning of the year, and I absolutely love it. This comes in handy whenever I come up with a video idea. I just kind of write that down, and so it comes in handy when I'm trying to figure out what I can actually film, and then I can just kind of reference to this, and then I'm able to like check off just how far I've gotten with that video as far as filming, editing, uploading, putting in my cards, my description box, all those things. It just helps out a whole lot. So I put in a few pages of those as well. And I will be putting in all of the information of where I got each of these items from in my description box, just in case you may want to go ahead and pick that up. So my next section is going to be my idea section. This dashboard printable also came from MJG Studio Co. on Etsy. And this is where I'm going to be, so this is where I'm going to be keeping up with my Instagram tracking as far as my followers. And this printable actually came from Pretty Pink Planners Co. And I'll also put that information down in my description box. And this was actually a social media planner, but I just printed off different sections that I want to utilize because some of the sections I didn't really need. And I just love these sections here. And so this one is also an Instagram follower tracker, but it's blank. But I'm thinking about using this for my YouTube, following my, just tracking my YouTube subscribers and trying to just mark those off and just maybe like, just documenting like little milestones as far as like when I reach certain points of my subscribers. This one again is going to be my Instagram feed planner. This is also part of the Pretty Pink Planner Co. Social media planner printables that I also got. And I like this because I'm able to figure out how I want my feed to look. And I love this because, as you can see here, she has where you can write in what your color scheme is going to be for your board. And I'm really like starting to get I'm starting to understand how the feed is working and how things are laying out. And so I think this is really going to help me. And so she has it numbered from 1 to 12 in the grid section. And I just thought I'll do that, just kind of map out my Instagram feed to make it look aesthetically pleasing. And I want it to look a certain way going forward. So I wanted to print those off, and I print off a few pages. I left the back page blank just in case I may want to write some other notes on the back. And then this one also came from Pretty Pink Planners Co. And this one is the Instagram post planner section of it. And I wanted this one because whenever I come up with a post idea or what I want to post, I can already kind of like brainstorm what I want to say, and then I can put down my hashtags. I also use the Planopoly, I believe that's what it's called. Don't laugh at me if I pronounce that wrong. But I also use that app to just pre-plan out my post. And so I just think it'd be really great for me to kind of already have those captions already figured out and my hashtags figured out. So when I'm ready to post and upload, I can also do that and just kind of go from there. So I did those front and back. I only did a few pages of those because I want to kind of get a head start on that. And then the next section is going to be my calendar section, where I am going to start planning for each week, for the month, and all of those things. So again, this one, this dashboard came from, which is also a printable, came from MJG Studio Co., which is also the Etsy shop that I shop at. You guys, I absolutely love this shop, okay? So this whole content planner is just amazing. There are more dashboards in here, or in this, the content planner itself, but these are just the ones that I picked out and I love and utilize in my planner. So this is going to be my calendar section, and this is where I am going to be using my dashboard layout from Pleasantly Planned, and I also have my months frosted data. I have those divided by the months with their divider tabs on the side here. And so yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing, and that's my dashboard layout. And I can't wait for you guys to see how I'm going to be planning for my social media in this dashboard layout. And so if you've been with me for quite some time and following my social media planner plan with me, you guys know how I've been utilizing and using different layouts to plan for my social media. But I've used this layout before and absolutely love it. But now that I'm starting to get to understand a little bit more and I'm wanting to track and document certain things, this layout is going to be feasible for me and keeping track of a whole lot of things in here. So I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to be, how I'm going to be using it. It's simple because I want to keep this pretty much minimum. I'm not going to be using a whole lot of decorative stickers. I'm not going to like deck it out or anything, but I want to utilize it and make it more where less decorative, but more functional, and making sure that I'm being productive with my social media. So that's where I'm headed with this planner. Now I'm thinking about adding in the rest of my divider covers, but she is rather chunky right now. So I don't think I'm going to add anything else to this because I don't want it to be too chunky, because as I am doing my collab sections and adding in certain things, it will start to fill up a bit. So I don't want to like overflow it so much. And I don't want to stress the pages out as far as squeezing so much on there. So one last thing that I want to do, I thought of just keeping it like this. I don't know. I may end up just keeping my planner as is, just like this. But I also just thought about tying in my deluxe cover from the Happy Planner just to kind of, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit. Especially if I take it out, because this planner is really going to be at home. I'm not going to take it out so much, other than if I have to go out for some reason, or if I'm going to be gone away from home or something like that. I I do want to take this with me, but I don't want to take it like, you know, like this and throw it into like my purse. So I was thinking of using this deluxe cover by the Happy Planner. And, you know, they have the nice little sleeve here where I can just slide in the cover here. It has a cute little pin loop here, and then some cute little pockets, and then a little secretarial pocket there. And then it just closes up and look very cute and casual, business-like, right? Super cute. And see, I still have some room in there if I need to grow with this. And then I like the flap is very stretchable. So if it gets thicker a little bit, at least I know I have a little bit of leg room to kind of add some more, and they'll still be able to, you know, clip together. So I might end up keeping it in this, or I may end up changing it out, but you just have to wait and see for my planner lineup as to what I'm actually going to be using as my final setup. But I wanted to dress this up in the inside. So I was thinking about using some of my Paper Panda stickers here that I received. I won their giveaway. And so I want to utilize this because I want to incorporate that in my planner spread. So I think I'm going to stick that in there. And then they also gave me this cute little dated notepad. And I think this would be great. Let's see if it's going to fit. Look at that. So that fits really great in the inside if I want to just kind of write down some notes or just jot down some things for the week or for the month, just as reminders. I think it'll fit in. So let's see. Yep, it closes really nice. So just to finish this flip through off, I wanted to go ahead and add in my favorite pen that I have received recently. And so I wanted to add in my favorite pen to my cover, which is this Top Paper Co. 0.5 millimeter roller tip pen that I also received from Paper Panda in their giveaway box that they that I won from their Instagram giveaway. And so I'm going to add this to my planner on the side, on the cover here. Let's see if it's going to fit. Yes, it fits. Oh my gosh. So yes, so I am set for 2021 for my social media. So thank you guys for watching. I'm so excited about this setup, you guys. 2021 cannot get here fast enough, and I'm just so ready to go ahead and use this. And so I'm just glad that it's already set up and ready to go. And all I need to do now is just wait for 2021. I just love this. So I may add a few more new items to this planner, but again, I will definitely show you the final flip through in my 2021 planner lineup. And so if you are new here, I hope that you enjoyed yourself here. So hello and welcome. And I do hope that you consider subscribing to my tea party. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.